Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Royal and Langnickel Crease and slash Smudge brush. I just want to give you guys an overview of what it looks like. I do apologize because it does have some of my makeup on it right there, but this is just what the brush looks like. This is the crease brush and this is the smudge brush. And it's just like this teal blue brush. Okay, so going into a little bit about the brush, I did stumble upon these brushes at Ulta and I was just in the mood for new brushes. I needed new brushes and I was just like, you know what, like I'll make the investment. They aren't the cheapest. They definitely are affordable if you are looking for a newer brush. The reason I'm going to talk about why I kind of don't like this brush, but these brushes in particular are really good. I find myself like really enjoying just like the sleekness of how this part is, and then just like the part where you hold it is so nice. I do have other brushes that are similar to this that don't have this part in it, but I really do enjoy this part. I think this is just such a good addition to this brush. It like really makes the brush for me. Something else that like I really can say that I kind of, before I get into the cons, that I really do like about this brush is just the way that it feels. You don't normally find brushes that don't shed, that when you clean them are just overall a really good brush, but these ones are very good brushes. Like I literally have not had a problem with the shedding or anything like that. So starting to go into the cons, guys, I really do apologize, but it's a double side brush like I said, and the way my brush like kind of, it's like I hold my brushes in a glass. The way they're set up, that one part of this has to be down, so I find myself not wanting to use the smudge part all the time, because I use this more than I do use the smudge part. I really always put this one down, this side down, and by putting it down I just feel like I can't use it just because I feel like my brush is getting dirty. And that's just like a personal like stigma that I have with this brush. I just always feel like it's getting dirty, and it just feels honestly at this point like something that I honestly can't, that part of the brush that I can't use, that I don't want to use, and I really wish it wasn't like that. Something else that I really throws me off about this brush too is that, I don't know if you guys can see this, so this one says this is for the crease. I do like using this for the crease, but brush tends to get a little bit like, I use other brushes for my crease. I really don't like this brush and how it complements my crease. I really don't feel at all like this is a good brush that complements my crease. I do feel like there are better products out there that would do better applying my eyeshadow to my crease opposed to this one. So what I will use for this side of the brush is I will use this as an all over brush or a base brush, and I will just take the eyeshadow that I will be using as my base, and I will just use this brush to apply it. I don't often use it for the crease. Like I said, I do have another brush that I tend to use for my crease, and just this one doesn't cut it for me. And like I said before, guys, like they're just my personal opinions. I do not at all feel like this brand is not good, because I do think this brand is very good, but it's just I literally can't get over this at the bottom of my brush glass, and then this is just like not good for my crease. Something else though, guys, and I will speak on positively about this brush though, when I am literally in the rush and I'm trying to get somewhere, this side of the brush will do me wonders. So I will only wear one eyeshadow color if I am in a rush, or if I'm trying to do a simple makeup look, and this will literally work wonders for me, because like I said, this does get all over. This is why I don't like using it in my crease. But if I'm just looking to use for one color and I'm not really trying to like really do like a blended look, a smoky eye, or a crease cut or anything of that nature, then I will use that, and I really do like it for that. I do not use this brush as often as I use other brushes. I just feel like I have other brushes that work just as well as this one. I have used this smudge part a couple times, and guys, what I can say is this is a good smudge brush. It just so happens that I just use this side more than this side, so I tend to not want to use this side just because of like what I've stated before. But this is a good smudge brush. I do like this side. Sometimes when I'm trying to go in and like define a certain color or make sure a certain color is in the mix, but other than that, I really don't use that side. I just want to give you guys a close-up of what the bristles on this looks like. And then on this side. And then, like I said before, not at all do I not think this is a good brand. I just personally prefer other brushes aside from this one. But like I said before, this is just the Royal and Langnickel Crease and Smudge brush.